Hey YouTube, Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. We're inside the Schooner Bar here on deck 6. Schooner Bar is a great place to hang out, get your favorite beverage, rehydrate. They have trivia in here, they have performance here at this piano. Of course, your favorite beverages back there. This is the Schooner Bar. Alright, in case you forgot where you are, there it is. The Schooner Bar. It's right next to but member services. It's a loyalty ambassador, member services. It's over here by shore excursions and the photo gallery. Up there, that's the rising tide. Rises and descends over there. Alright. There's guest services. A couple people in line for guest services. Very popular place over here, the Pesky Parrot. A lot of people love the Pesky Parrot. Very, very lively place to hang out and also get your favorite beverages. And that is the Pesky Parrot. And here is the Pesky Parrot himself. Over here it's Ricky. Hello, Ricky. You say hi? Ricky not going to talk? Alright. Maybe next time, Ricky. Alright. Like all the other Oasis class ships, they have a car on board. You see here in front of Cafe Promenade. It looks like the bear is driving. Elephant riding shotgun. A car. Next cruise, in case you want to book another cruise. There's a live performer up here. On the right side is Sorrento's, a great place to grab pizza. And now it's inside Boot and Bonnet. There's a bunch of other stores here too. A couple of circus performers up there. This spinny, crazy face sculpture thing. Every so often, it actually all lines up, and you get to see a face. All right, kind of see it, kind of. All right. On the right side of your screen is Boleros, like a Latin-themed bar. Also do live bands and lots of music. Closing that, an actual Starbucks. You need to get your coffee fix. It's Starbucks. This is On Air. On Air, it's like a karaoke bar. Lots of cool information flying above here. That is On Air. I'm gonna go back up the promenade, so you can see everything from the opposite side. The great view of Sorrento's. If you haven't tried the Royal Caribbean pizza, it's gotten a lot better in the years. So definitely worth a shot. Nice view of the car. I'm not sure that bear could see over the dashboard, but there he is. And of course, guest services. Jewelry store there. And there's me. Mr. Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. Hopefully you liked this video, so please give a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate it too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.